Khorang Press Information Bureau Agartala Bedekni Saktharmung by Rajakor Agulini Gitanjali Guest House khlaijakha Kaisa workshop Panda Jati Saktharmung workshop Panda Wacheng Shawirika Agartala Press Club ni Secretary Pranab Sarkar Manchaka Haste Chongmari Bedekni Dagi Kiron Gitete Hasteni Chakra Koktuma Tumna Joint Bota Charge Yakusong Asalni workshop Panda no Chongmari ni Salo Boot Center Bishingo Chongmari Bedekni Dagi Mungnora Kogui Mangpliti Shamani Bagai Koi Mungnaraka Haste Chongmari Bedekni Dagi Kiron Gite Aba Hakino Chongmari ni Salo Koktuma Tumna Rongno Rizakna Chongmari no Kitingi Joto Beremni Koktuma.
So anybody of you are free to talk to me. So if I don't take phone, then you can WhatsApp me. Nowadays the facility is there. You can say that I am from this and this media house and this is a difficulty. So that can always be communicated. As far as the request of covering the activities of the polling station and activities of counting center. So regarding this, there are very strict regulations of the Election Commission of India. So up to what point is allowed, up to say what activities are allowed to be covered. So all that we will communicate to you and we will let you know, and on the day of polling, on the day of counting also, say our people will tell, even the paramilitary forces also, these are the limits up to which the media can come, or on the day of counting also we will sensitize them. So we will sensitize them, the police and the paramilitary forces who would be available in these places, so that whatever access rights which are given by the Election Commission of India to the media must be respected. So these we will stick to that, and we will make sure that you get a maximum opportunity to report the on the polling day and the counting day. On the campaign day also, you know that there was a workshop which was taken by our office for the media persons, and then the aspect like say paid news and other aspects of media were discussed. So I am very happy that in our state this scope for this paid news and other type of aspects where the rules and rights are very less. So our media has been very responsible, very I can say probing also. Many times the actions of the election machinery are also commented upon by the media. So it helps us to improve. Okay, if some of our officers they are lagging, or some officers are doing some things with because enthusiasm, we get a lot of learning from you as well, and I think media plays a bigger role in making our actions also more effective in the field.
Rajakor Agulini Simi Pranabni Koktum Chin Khorang
আগামী 12 জানুয়ারি যুব দিবস উদযাপন ও জনবিশ্বাস যাত্রার সমাপ্তিতে অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে বিজয় সংকল্প জনসভা। আপনাদের সবাইকে সাদর আমন্ত্রণ। আপনারা সবাই এই অনুষ্ঠানে অংশগ্রহণ করে একে সাফল্যমণ্ডিত করুন। বন্দে মাতারাম, ভারত মাতা কি জয়, বিজেপি জিন্দাবাদ।